Hey guys, it's Sarah. Thank you so much for watching. So today I have an update on my 2018 rolling project pan. I have this project pan going on, and then I also have my Finish 13 by Halloween, which I've been updating separately. So I've made some pretty good progress this month, and then on some things I haven't really made a whole lot of progress. It's been a crazy month because I moved, I have been traveling a ton, and so my routine has just been kind of thrown out the window. So a lot of these things I just haven't been using as much, haven't been wearing as much makeup, to be honest. Also, I don't normally like to apologize for this kind of thing, but I feel like my makeup looks really weird today. Partially because I just filmed a video doing like a brand review, and the foundation that I had from that brand was way too light for me. So if I look a little bit ghostly, that's probably why. So I'm sorry if I look a little weird. Just wanted to mention that. So let's go ahead and get into the update. So the first couple of products are non-makeup related. The first one is the Everyone lotion. It's a giant bottle of body lotion. I made a little bit of progress this month, but not a ton, just because I really haven't been putting on lotion for a while. This wasn't even in my bathroom because I was moving and all my stuff was just in random boxes all over the place. So now that I'm starting to get back into the swing of things, I have been using it a little bit more. So the other thing was the OGX Moroccan Smooth Perfection Blowout Cream. This pretty much feels and sounds empty, but there is a little bit left. I did make a little bit of progress. Again, I didn't use it as much as I had in previous months, but I really don't know how much more product could possibly be in here. I really don't think there's much. I've been storing it upside down, and I've just been using it as kind of a leave-in conditioner, I guess. When my hair is wet after I've showered, I just put a little bit of this in my hands and then rub it around and run it through my hair from like here down. And so it's going steadily. I've mentioned this in like all the previous videos, but this brand isn't cruelty-free anymore. So that's why I'm trying to use it up. Alright, on to the makeup, which is the fun stuff. So I did use up one thing, yay, and I have made some pretty good progress on other things not so much. I'll go ahead and say the one thing that I did use up, the e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. I was expecting to use this up this month. I think I used it up within like a week or two after my last update. I'm glad to see it go. I don't really feel like this primer does anything. I know a lot of people like it though, so I mean, I guess it just depends on your preferences, but I'm glad that this is done. This only has, I think that these have less than half an ounce of product in them, so I didn't foresee this being really difficult to use up, but it did take longer than I expected. So anyway, that's exciting. By the way, this has been a rolling project pan, but I think I've decided I'm not going to roll anything else in for now. So for the next month at least, there will only be 9 products in the project, actually 8. I'll talk about that in a second. I'm not going to roll anything else in just because I feel like there's really nothing else in my collection that I want to try to pan right now, and since I have my 13 by Halloween going on at the same time, I don't want to overwhelm myself, so for now I'm not going to roll anything new into the project. The Pixi Correction Concentrate in Brightening Peach. This is still going. I've been using it pretty consistently. Like I said, I just haven't been wearing makeup as much this past month, so not as much progress as I would have liked to see. This is just kind of one of those slow and steady products. I think it'll take a while to really get through this, but I haven't mind using it every day or most days. Another thing is the Lily Lobo Sculpt and Glow Contour Duo. I continued to make some pretty good progress on this. You'll see in the pictures because I don't know exactly. In fact, I'll have to compare it to last month's picture to really see how much progress I have made. But I think I'm going to repress the bronzer soon, just because it's starting to get to the point where I can't really get a whole lot on my brush evenly. And then the highlight, again, I've been using both of these pretty much every single day, and so I'm pretty happy with my progress on that. Not every single day, but every day that I've worn makeup. And then the Lauren Brooke Cosmetics blush in Sweet 16. I still have not hit pan. I can't believe it. This is a really small blush. It only has 1.8 grams of product, which is much smaller than the average blush. It's really just technically it's a sample size. There is a pretty significant dip in there, so I'm expecting to hit pan any day now. And I feel like once I hit pan, it'll go pretty fast, because it's not a very big pan. So, kind of frustrated. Also, the lid kind of broke and now it doesn't clasp shut, but that's okay. I've had this for so long, I expected that to happen eventually. But I'm just gonna keep using this. I've used it pretty much every single day that I've worn makeup for the last ever since I put it in the project, which I think was like 3 months ago. So I'm kind of frustrated and kind of just surprised that I haven't hit pan on this yet, but I think that I will very soon. But I know I said that the last 2 months too, so surprising. I think blush is one of the hardest things for me to use up though. This has been in the project for quite a while. It's the 100% Pure dual-ended cream shadow stick. One end is done, the other end is not, although I did make a little bit of progress on it this past month. I really didn't wear it as often as I would have liked to. So hopefully this next month I'll use it more, just kind of as a cream shadow base all over the lid, because when I do use it for that, it goes quicker. The e.l.f. Pressed Mineral Eyeshadow, I did reach my goal on this last month. I said that I wanted to hit pan on it, and I did. And so I said that in the last update that I had hit my goal, but I was going to keep it in the project just to see how much more use I would get out of it. I haven't used it since that update. So I'm probably going to declutter this. I'm actually planning on filming a declutter video in the next couple days, and just a spoiler, this is probably going to be one of the things that goes. So, but yeah, so needless to say, I am going to just consider this removed from the project because I'm just not using it anymore. I don't feel like I care to get much more use out of it. I've had this for so long, and it's not even a product that is available for purchase anymore. It was discontinued a long time ago, so I don't feel like it adds that much value to my collection, and I'm pretty sure I paid like $3 for it like a really long time ago, so I feel like I've gotten my money's worth. So I'm gonna take that out of the project. Last two things were lip products. The Milani lipstick in Pretty Natural. It's what I'm wearing on my lips right now. I have worn this a few times this month, but you'll see in the picture I really didn't make a lot of progress in terms of the product actually going down at all. So I mean, that's fine. I'm just going to continue to use it. Hopefully I'll just be wearing more makeup in general this next month, and I'll remember to wear this. And then the Jordana lip liner in the shade Tawny, I actually did make some good progress on this. This is something that I like to just kind of fill in my lips with, not just line them, but actually fill in my lips. Sometimes I wear it on its own like that, but I also wear it underneath this lipstick, which is kind of the reason why I chose to include these together, because they go nicely together. This is one of my all-time favorite lip liners, so I haven't minded using it a lot. I haven't used it up yet, but I'm pretty sure that within the next month or two I will use it up. It did kind of break, so I have to be careful with it. Like when I twist it all the way up, what's left of it kind of has broken off. So, but I can still use it, and I'm pretty sure I'll finish it pretty soon. I'm gonna try to put my mind to it, and maybe even use this up by the next update. But we'll have to see. Okay, so that is everything that is in the project. Like I said, 2 of them will be leaving the project. The primer I used up, and then the eyeshadow, I'm gonna consider this done. So now there are 8 things in the project. Like I said, for now I'm not going to roll anything else into the project just yet. I just don't really feel like it's necessary right now. But I am really happy with my progress, considering the fact that this past month was kind of just a whirlwind, and I didn't really wear that much makeup. In fact, I'm pretty sure like 50% of the days this past month I didn't even wear makeup. So considering that, I think I did pretty well. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. I will link the playlist of all of my previous updates of this project in the description box if you want to catch up on them. If you want to follow along, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye!